Hey guys! What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Or kung random mo lang ito na-click, welcome pa rin. At salamat. Honestly, kinakabahan ako while filming this. Pero okay lang. We're just go with the flow. Tara, magkikwento ako sa inyo. So sino nga ba ako? Who am I? Ako nga pala si Benj, isang simple at ordinaryong tao who is living his life with intentions, curiosity, humility, and gratitude. I love traveling. Pero teka, di expensive ang peg lang nito ha. I travel with purpose. Kumbaga, budget-friendly, soulful, and with eyes open para makita talaga ang ganda ng mundo. I'm a solo traveler too. Not because I have it all figured out, but because sometimes the best company is your own heartbeat. Why did I start this channel? Bakit ko sinimulan tong channel na to? Honestly, matagal ko nang gustong maging YouTube creator or content creator. As in, matagal na. Pero, alam mo yon, lagi kong sinasabi sa sarili ko, next time na lang. Nakakahiya pag ready na ako, pag confident na ako. Till one day I realize, baka naman walang perfect timing. So I decided na mag-start na lang. Even if hindi pa ako perfect, although nobody's perfect naman. Even if medyo awkward pa ako sa ngayon. Basta, gusto ko lang magkwento. I want a space where I can just be myself, where I can document moments that made my heart feel alive. No pressure, no pretending, just real moments. I also want to share not only the destination, pero also yung feeling pag nandun ka. Yung tipong kahit nag-scroll ka lang sa bahay, ma-appreciate mo yung ganda ng mundo. Yung peace na nararamdaman mo pag natagpuan mo yung hinahanap mong place. At saka yung humility pag naalala mo na malaki ang mundo. Pero sa totoo lang, mas malaki ang pagmamahal ng Diyos sa atin through His creations. Kaya thank you Lord for all your creations. What kind of contents will I post? So ano nga ba talaga ang contents ng channel na ito? Travel, lifestyle, and how God changes everything. You'll see a lot of travel vlogs, both domestic and international adventures, random getaways, minsan plan, minsan biglaan. Mga lakad with family and friends, solo trips, road trips, food trips, staycations, or anything that feels worth sharing. Lifestyle content din, daily life, random thoughts, routines, slow days, or even busy days. Basically, I'll be sharing to you kung ano yung nangyari sa buhay ko. There's also short talks about life because there's one thing that I learned. Pag nagta-travel kasi ako, it's not the place that matters. It's how it changes you as a person. Why you should stay. So if you're someone na mahilig mag-travel or just looking for a background vlog habang nagpapahinga, this channel is for you. And if you're still figuring things out in life, I feel you. Pareho tayo. Let's grow together. What can you expect from me? You can expect soft and honest vlogs, real travel experiences, budget tips para hindi ka matakot mag-travel, wow moments to God's creation, and solo travel stories na parang date mo with yourself. So it's a wrap. Tapos na tayo. Thank you for watching my very first, sabi nating sit-down vlog. If you're here for a slow travel, adventure, peace, or just seeing God's creation around the world, this is where you're supposed to be. Please do share and comment below if anong travel style ang gusto mong makita next. Gusto mo ba ng road trip na vlog, domestic flight na vlog, or international flight na vlog, or even yung budget tips na vlog? Comment below. Let's grow together. Thank you for staying with me, and see you on the next one.